Mars, often called the red planet, is the fourth planet from the Sun in our solar system. It's known for its reddish appearance, which comes from iron oxide, or rust, on its surface. Here are some key facts about Mars. Size and structure. Mars is about half the size of Earth, with a diameter of roughly 6,779 kilometers, 4,212 miles. Its surface is rocky and features a range of geological formations, including the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, and the vast canyon system, Valles Marineris. Atmosphere. The Martian atmosphere is very thin, composed mostly of carbon dioxide, with traces of nitrogen and argon. This thin atmosphere contributes to the planet's cold temperatures and makes it difficult for liquid water to exist on the surface. Average temperatures hover around 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius, but they can vary widely from just above freezing at the equator during the day to around 195 degrees Fahrenheit, 125 degrees Celsius at the poles during winter. Water. There is evidence that liquid water once flowed on Mars. Today, water exists mostly in the form of ice, and there are signs of seasonal water flow on some slopes. Recent discoveries include ice deposits beneath the surface and the presence of salty liquid water in the past. Moons. Mars has two small moons, Phobos and Deimos. They are thought to be captured asteroids and are irregularly shaped, much smaller than Earth's moon. Exploration. Mars has been a focus for exploration missions, including rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance, which search for signs of past life and gather data about the planet's geology and climate. Mars is also a candidate for future human exploration and colonization, with ongoing discussions and research aimed at making that a reality. Potential for life. Scientists are particularly interested in Mars because it has conditions that might have supported microbial life in the past. Missions continue to investigate its surface and subsurface for signs of life. Mars remains a key target for scientific research and exploration due to its similarities to Earth and its potential to unlock secrets about the history of our solar system. Water on Mars is a fascinating topic with significant implications for our understanding of the planet and the potential for future exploration. Here is a detailed look at what we know about water on Mars. Forms of water on Mars. Ice. Surface ice. Mars has extensive ice deposits, particularly at the polar ice caps. Atmospheric water. Water vapor. Mars' thin atmosphere contains trace amounts of water vapor. The atmosphere can hold only a small amount of water vapor due to its low pressure. Frost and snow. In colder regions, water vapor can condense into frost or fall as snow. This process is particularly notable at the poles. Importance for future exploration. Potential for life. Water is essential for life as we know it, and the search for past or present life on Mars is closely tied to the study of water. Finding evidence of liquid water or its remnants could be crucial in determining whether life ever existed on Mars. Human exploration. For future human missions to Mars, water is a critical resource. Extracting water from the Martian ice or atmosphere would be necessary for sustaining human life and creating fuel for return missions. Climate and geology. Studying water on Mars helps scientists understand the planet's past climate and geological history. It provides clues about how Mars evolved and why it became the cold, arid planet it is today. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe to our channel.